Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the highly anticipated Apple AirPods Pro 3, the next generation of Apple's premium wireless earbuds. There's been a lot of buzz and speculation, and fresh reports suggest that Apple is preparing some significant upgrades that could make the AirPods Pro 3 a true game changer. So, stick around as we unpack all the latest leaks, expected features, new designs, and potential release timelines. If you've been waiting to upgrade, this might just be the perfect time. The AirPods Pro 3, a major upgrade on the horizon. Apple's AirPods Pro lineup has been immensely popular since its original launch, but it's been quite some time since we've seen a major refresh. Sure, the recent USB-C update added some convenience, but many Apple fans have been eagerly waiting for a more substantial overhaul. Based on leaks from Apple's internal software code and reports from trusted sources, it looks like the AirPods Pro 3 might finally deliver that long-awaited evolution. Apple's internal references, which were recently uncovered in their own codebase, mention a mysterious new audio device. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, industry experts and leakers strongly believe that these references point directly to the AirPods Pro 3. The placement of the code and the timing of the leaks line up with Apple's usual product development cycle, suggesting that we might see this new product revealed very soon. Revolutionary health features, in-ear heart rate tracking and temperature sensing. One of the most exciting potential features coming to the AirPods Pro 3 is a set of health-focused upgrades. According to reliable reports, including those from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is working on in-ear heart rate monitoring. Imagine being able to track your heart rate accurately through your earbuds while you're working out, commuting, or even just relaxing. This would make the AirPods Pro 3 perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want seamless biometric tracking without having to wear a separate device like a smartwatch. Interestingly, Apple has already tested heart rate monitoring technology in the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2, which can track heart rate during workouts. However, those earbuds can't simultaneously stream audio to gym equipment or provide integrated health feedback through Apple's ecosystem. With the AirPods Pro 3, Apple appears to be aiming for an all-in-one solution where you can enjoy flawless audio playback while also receiving real-time health data. But that's not all. Apple is also rumored to be working on ear canal temperature sensing. Unlike the current skin temperature sensing found in the Apple Watch Series 8 and later, an in-ear sensor could offer faster and more accurate body temperature readings. This technology could open doors for more advanced health monitoring, like early illness detection or improved fitness tracking. However, it's still uncertain whether this feature will be ready in time for the expected 2025 AirPods Pro 3 release date. When it comes to design, Apple appears to be preparing significant changes for the AirPods Pro 3. The fourth-generation AirPods recently introduced a more compact case, a hidden capacitive pairing button, and a discreetly embedded LED indicator. Apple will likely extend these design upgrades to the AirPods Pro 3 charging case as well, aiming for a sleeker and more portable package, but the changes might not stop at the case. Reports suggest that the earbuds themselves could be getting a complete redesign. Potential improvements include a smaller in-ear component and a shorter stem, or possibly no stem at all. This would be a bold move for Apple, as several competing earbuds from Sony, Bose, and Apple's own Beats Studio Buds Plus have already ditched the stem entirely. The popularity of these stemless earbuds indicates that Apple might finally follow the trend and introduce a stemless AirPods Pro design for a more minimalist and discreet look. Alternatively, if Apple decides not to go completely stemless, we could at least see a significantly shorter stem, making the earbuds less noticeable when worn. Either way, it seems like Apple is focusing on ergonomics and aesthetics for this next generation. Another exciting rumored upgrade is the introduction of a second-generation ultra-wideband chip. This would significantly improve tracking capabilities through the Find My app, allowing users to locate their AirPods Pro 3 with greater precision and reliability. Losing your earbuds might soon become much harder thanks to this updated tracking system. The UWB chip in the AirPods Pro 3 is expected to work seamlessly with Apple's growing ecosystem, including iPhones, iPads, and potentially even the Apple Vision Pro. Whether you misplace your AirPods in your home, your car, or a public space, the enhanced tracking could make recovering them much faster and more accurate. One of the most significant internal upgrades expected is the introduction of the all-new H3 chip. The H3 chip will likely provide major audio performance improvements, including even faster on-device processing for active noise cancellation and better adaptive audio capabilities. The current AirPods Pro 2 already offers impressive noise cancellation, reducing unwanted sound at an incredible rate of 48,000 times per second thanks to the H2 chip. With the H3 chip, this could be pushed even further, possibly reaching new industry benchmarks for wireless ANC. Additionally, the AirPods Pro 3 are rumored to support Bluetooth 5.4. This upgrade could bring improved audio latency, more stable connections, and better battery efficiency. For gamers, video streamers, and music lovers, lower latency means more responsive audio with fewer delays, a feature that would make the AirPods Pro 3 even more versatile across different devices. Another potential leap forward is the expansion of lossless audio capabilities. The AirPods Pro 2 already offers lossless audio when paired with the Apple Vision Pro, thanks to a proprietary wireless audio protocol. However, Apple may extend this lossless audio experience to more devices, such as iPhones, iPads, and Macs. With the release of the AirPods Pro 3. If this happens, Apple's AirPods Pro 3 could become some of the best wireless earbuds on the market for audiophiles, offering studio-quality sound without the limitations of compression. Combined with the power of the new H3 chip and Bluetooth 5.4, the audio experience could set a new gold standard for wireless earbuds. Live translation is another feature that has been heavily rumored for the AirPods Pro 3. The good news? Apple has already officially confirmed that live audio translation will soon be available for AirPods connected to iPhones that support Apple Intelligence, specifically, starting with the iPhone 15 Pro and newer models running iOS 26. This live translation feature will allow you to understand foreign languages in real time through your AirPods, potentially transforming travel, international business, and cross-cultural conversations. While this feature will technically be available on multiple AirPods models, the AirPods Pro 3 could handle these tasks even more efficiently thanks to the H3 chip's faster processing power and improved connection stability. So, when can you expect to get your hands on these next-gen earbuds? Based on Apple's typical launch patterns, most signs point to a reveal at the September event later this year, likely alongside the introduction of the iPhone 17 lineup. If not September, then we might see them announced before the end of the year in 2025. Apple tends to schedule its major product announcements around this time, so fans should definitely keep an eye on upcoming keynotes and product launches. It's worth noting that Apple usually aligns new AirPods releases with major iPhone updates to showcase ecosystem features like seamless pairing and cross-device audio sharing. Final thoughts: the AirPods Pro 3 are shaping up to be a truly exciting product,